from that. So we had Colin, I hope that's correct, the spelling. Great. And we had full year. Yes, I know that does not look like, it sounds like full year, but I can promise you that's the correct pronunciation. And we had the classroom, so here we had our benches. And Colin could take a straight route to this point. Full year had to take a longer route to the same point, and they met up at the same time. Now, who had the greatest average velocity? Any ideas? Yes. That's a very good answer. It was a trick question. You're exactly right. Neither of them had the greater velocity. Can anyone tell me why? Displacement is the same. That's what you're going to say as well? Yes, so think about this. So, Colin starts at a point, in front, and he ends at a point in the back. Full year starts at the same point and he ends at the same point, and remember, they both did this in the same time. Remember, the condition was both arrive here at the same time. So by definition, remember we said velocity, or average velocity, is change in position divided by change in time. If this is the same for both, and that is the same for both, then this has to be the same for both. So even though we all saw full year definitely moving quicker or trying to keep up with Colin, because they started out from the same point, they ended up at the same point, in the same amount of time, it turns out that average velocities were the same for that time interval. If we, however, now look at speed, so speed is equals to length of the path traveled divided by the time taken. And definitely full year had to travel the longer route, so he followed a longer path in the same amount of time. So therefore full year had the greater average speed.